Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Which Part Who Knows. Anyway, it's Abigail's time to shine. That's all I've got to say. Let's get right into the special scene. Is this plant poisonous? Because it looks so similar to...
ここで何してるの？宝探し？
Ah, it's you, Abigail. Not treasure, but I was collecting some medicinal plants.
何の薬草を探してるの？怪我人でもいるのかな？
Okay, I think that's supposed to be not yet, but they omitted the N. Not yet, but as I am sure we will get injured on this journey, I am as sure we'll need medicinal plants in case that happens. We can't just rely on Natria.
用意周到なのはいいことだね。ところでそれ、毒草だよ。
Whoa, you can tell?
魔女たちのほとんどが森の中だけで暮らすから、これくらいの判断できるよ。端々が赤黒いのが薬草だから、参考にして。
The reddish black tip. Alright. Oh my gosh, thank you. The ones that have a reddish black tip. How about these?
それは違う。触ると。
Whoa, what is... Okay. Whoa, what is this? Why is it growing?
それ、やばいやつだよ。強い力を受けると、地面に埋まってるツルが上がってきて、周りの生物を無差別に攻撃してくるんだ。
I never heard of such a plant. Arg.
この、離せってば。
Me? Oh, I'm untouched.
こいつはメスとオスを区別できるんだ。メスが周りにいるとのしかかってきて繁殖行為をするんだって。だからさっさと助けてくれ。見てるだけじゃなくてさ。
You know, no questions are going to be asked here. We're just going along for the ride. Well, though it would be a shame to miss this phenomenal sight I'm about to see, I mean, it is quite a remarkable view.
何言ってんだよ。早く助けてくれってば。
You were quite blunt with no expression just a while ago. Now you can't bear having your underwear taken off. It really brings out your cute voice.
変な話してないで。ダメ。何するの。
The angle here you're held in is just perfect. I'm thinking of playing with you for fun.
やめて。この話せって。魔力が足りない時にこんなことになるなんて。この変態スケベ性悪ヒューマン。
That hurts. For someone who is not aware of their circumstances, this should be their punishment. Okay, so we're just going right into it, I guess. We'll start off with the boomerang. Boomerang on the... Okay, boomerang's not working anywhere. Okay, guess we have to go hand first.
離れよ。嫌だ。
So this is just straight, not consensual is what I'm going to say here.
屈辱。絶対に忘れないからな。触るなって。これ以上触ると許さないよ。こら。
Looks like we get no head pats again. I'm just waiting for one girl to be able to have that head pat option. So thighs are 70 points.
絶対に忘れないからな。
Okay, yeah, that's she definitely lost her clothing there. What is this? We've never had this one before. Oh, it's a plant phallic shaped item. Let's use it on the breast. Doesn't work.
そこはダメ。
Okay, it works on the mouth. Interesting.
そこはダメ。本当に感じちゃうから。
We're gonna turn this down slightly.
ぬるぬるして、ぬめぬめして、キモい。
Slimy and lanky. All right, like a 14-year-old who grew 6 inches in 6 weeks.
全身が敏感になって感じちゃう。
Still no head pad option. Alright, alright. Can't even grab the titty. Not epic.
ダメそこはダメ
Let's bring the... We weren't able to use the boomerang earlier.
いやだ
Okay, we advance to the next stage. Everything is gone. Every last bit of clothing is gone. We lost the hand option, which is unfortunate. You know, fellas, let's go in there.
行きたくないのに
Oh my, we've never had this option before.
行きたくない
This is
行きたくないのに
this is most certainly a new development in the realm of the after scenes. Eating the booty like groceries. Nice, nice. Let's bring the plant antlers back out. Let's do a little bum. I think we got about 2 more. And let's end this here, right there. Well, there you go. Achievement unlocked. Satisfied Witch of the West Forest. We did a good deed today. We also got West Forest Guardian unlocked, which is epic, I would say. Let's continue on with her grand finale after that consensual plant.
なんで触手が君の言うことに従うんだよ。これもその稲妻の力なのか。
The power of lightning lets tentacles listen to you. Okay, this plot is just, it thickens at each and every scene. I'm not sure. It must be the telepathy that exists between each other. Well, that and...
何見てるんだよ。変態。
What an impressive view. Kanak. What? Oh, and you also want to put it in, Abigail? Nod. Actually, that's what I like to hear. Carpe diem. Today's your wetting day, like spelled W-E-T-T-I-N-G, so like wet. You don't want to miss this. Shook.
また何かをする気なのか。まさかこれ以上ひどい目に遭わせるつもりじゃないだろうな。
You already know. Your instincts are accurate because you are a witch.
もう勝手にしろ。
What?
勝手にしろって言ったの。どうせ僕は抵抗する力もないから。ほら、好きにしろってば。
Finally, you are being true to your body. No more time to lose. Let's do this. Tentacle number 1. How do I pronounce that? Chihuahua. Oh my. Oh my.
勝手にしろって言ったの。どうせ僕は抵抗する力もないから。ほら、好きにしろってば。すごく大きいの入ってくる。
I feel like 80% of this game's budget went to the Abigail scene. Like, it had to have. Okay, we have 8,000 stamina in this one. This is gonna be intense. I'm not getting those 100s. I don't know what's wrong here. All right. I wonder what's going to be overlaid here for the YouTube audience. Maybe we used bread baking. Maybe some finger paints. All right. There's some 100s every once in a while. Yeah, the animation budget is just all Abigail, 100%. She's just in another world. Her subtitles got lost. That's how intense this is. So these are plants and tentacles, yet they have coom. Interesting. You know, I can't say I've ever had these plants. These plants must be native to Japan. My goodness. All right, we're gonna need to read a few Bible verses after that one. That was intense, to say the least. That was interesting. So let's do a quick recap. We went from vanilla, just plain old, like good old fashioned Erica loving. Natria, we got a little freaky. The breast got involved. Tear, Tear was Tear. That's all I gotta say. Verkno brought out the feet, which was interesting, but then we just went from 0 to 100 with Abigail. Like, we brought out the plants that we controlled with our lightning power telepathy, and that was just something else. I don't know what's going to be in store with the cat girl, the dragon girl, and then the war criminal. So we have a lot to look forward to. This, I was kind of bagging on the game earlier, saying like, oh, the story's not good, but man, this has changed my mind. Once you bring the sentient plants who want to spread their seed into the game, it just really it took the game from a 4 to a 10, easily. Okay, that's all I got for you today. So go ahead and do me 4 favors: like, comment, subscribe, and as always, help me find a girlfriend. And bye bye.